Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I have to share with you today. Isn't it cute? I love how bright and colourful it is. It's a very simple design, and this features the Perennial Postage dies from Stampin' Up, and I'll show you those now. It's these dies here, and you've got all these different sizes, and I've just cut it out of different pieces of pattern paper to create my design. And then Happy Birthday comes from this die, Wanted to Say, and I've cut that out of Basic White and Misty Moonlight. So let's start to make our card. Our card base here is Calypso Coral, so it's a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And then I've got a piece here of Basic White that measures 14.35 centimeters by 10, and this is going to be here as my insert. And on the outside, I've cut out of the largest die, I've cut out from Basic White cardstock. I'm just going to stick this down in the centre. So centre top and bottom and left to right. That'll be fine. And then I've got my designer series paper here, and you're going to just lay it out to see how it's going to look. It's going to look something like that. Let's rather have this side, I think. I don't actually like that side better. So we're going to have something, I don't know, can't make up my mind. Maybe, yeah, something like that. So we want to put some dimensionals on the back here. So let me get my dimensionals. Okay. I'm always generous with my dimensionals. That'll do. And just take these backings off. And we're just going to lay down our pieces. So let's see. That will do, I think. And then, whoops, sorry about the noise. I knocked my tray that sits next door to me. I have one of these over the door trays, and it just sits actually over a drawer next to me in case I need extra space to dump stuff, because as every crafter knows, it doesn't matter how much space you have, you always need more. Okay, some more dimensionals. Okay, that'll be enough for now. This is a really easy card to make, and this is actually a card we made in Online Card Club. Now I host a monthly online card club in my Facebook group, and I send the kit out to you, and we craft together once a month, and we have lots of fun. So if something you're interested in, you can hop onto my website and you'll find all the details there, how to book. Okay. Our sentiment here, I'm going to use my tweezers to try and stop myself getting glue everywhere. I wouldn't say that I'm going to be totally successful, because normally I'm not, but we'll try. Just a light hand with the Tombow. You don't want glue splodging everywhere. And I find Tombow easier to use because it does give you that wriggle room to try and get things lined up as best as you can. So there we have Happy. And I do love this font for this birthday sentiment. I think it's really pretty. It's a really nice font. It's my kind of font. Nice joined up handwriting. I remember as a child at school having to learn how to do joined up handwriting. We had to learn. We got our first fountain pen, and when we got our first fountain pen we had to be able to do joined up handwriting. A long time ago. I don't think kids learn like that nowadays, but I love my fountain pens, I still do. Okay, so there's our sentiment, and now we're just going to put this on the front of our card. So I'm going to take my tweezers again, a little bit of glue. It's a bit easier this time. And then we're just going to put this down, laying across all our pieces like that. Isn't that pretty? So put that away. I'm just going to get rid of all the backings of my dimensionals before they try and stick to something. Okay. And then I have some of these iridescent rhinestones here. And we're just going to use a few of these as decoration for embellishments. So let's see. I'm going to use one of these here, I think on the dot of the eye. And maybe like that. A couple over here, like that. I think that's enough, as good as a feast. And there are our 2 cards. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And please don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you wanted more information about the project, the supply list, the measurements, etc., it's all on the blog post on my website. And the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.